Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you one of the many methods used to do a soft lock. Welcome back to my channel, it's Famo. The hair that I use to achieve this look is the Nu Locs, and the hair that I use to wrap it is a Freetress braid, and it's pre-fluffed. After I got my parts nice and clean, I put some edge wax at the root of her hair just to get it together nice and sleek. Then I plait her natural hair maybe an inch down. Then I open the loop of the locks and add it to the hair itself. So this lock is gonna fall into one of the strands for your plait, like a simple braid. Now it becomes one of the strands in the simple braid, and then you can plait maybe an inch or two down, depending on how much time you want to conserve. You can go all the way down. Her hair is very long, so I did not go all the way down, or you can stop maybe, like I said, 2 inches down. After you're finished with the plait, then you want to use a crochet needle or a crochet latch, depending how you guys call it, but you guys can see what I'm talking about. You also want to ensure that the end that you'll be using to wrap the hair is the longer end. And like I said at the beginning of the video, there are many ways or many methods to do the soft locks, or to do a butterfly locks, or to do a wrap. I chose to use the needle to pull the hair through. In my opinion, it's a little more secure. I wanted to give the lock a butterfly look, so I took a piece of the hair, stick it over my thumb, wrap it under once, and wrap it over above once, like this, under, then over once, and basically you just keep repeating this until you get to the end. And to secure the ends, after I finished wrapping, all I did was a palm roll, and that should be good enough. Just a closer look on how I did this method. I plait the natural hair, open the loop of the lock, add the lock to the hair. Now it becomes a part of the plait. And then you can plait it down to your desired length. And the final step is to use the crochet latch to pull through the wrapping hair and then wrap. It's really that simple. It is really easy. This is one of the easier methods that I've done. I've done this hairstyle in a few methods, and I think this one is one of the fastest method and one of the easiest methods. So yeah, I decided to share it. thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like on my video, feel free to comment on my video, and yeah, stay tuned.